Hello, here we are going to look at the factor theorem. So the factor theorem, you work it out exactly the same as the remainder theorem, but this time there should be no remainder at the end because it's a factor of it, and a factor fits exactly, so your remainder should be 0. So I put the rule in the box underneath, so it says to show that x minus a is a factor of f of x, then f of a equals 0. So you do it exactly the same as the remainder theorem. You substitute a value in, but every single time you should get the answer of 0. So we're going to just do two examples of this. So it says show that, so notice you're proving it. So show that x plus 3 is a factor of 6x cubed plus 17x squared minus 5x minus 6. So just like we did for the remainder theorem, we're first going to write let our f of x equals the 6x cubed plus 17x squared minus 5x minus 6 down. Then we're going to take our value that we're going to divide into it, so our x plus 3, put it equal to 0 and rearrange. So minus 3 to both sides, so x equals minus 3. So you're substituting minus 3 everywhere into this equation. So we got f of minus 3 equals, remember, negative value, brackets round. So 6 times minus 3 in brackets cubed. Then plus, next term, 17 times minus 3 in brackets squared. Minus, next term, 5 times minus 3, and then the minus 6 on the end. So just like we did for remainder theorem, each term at a time, make sure you use your calculator, the numbers are much bigger in this example, but hopefully it will come to 0 at the end. So you've got 6 times minus 3 cubed. So minus 3 cubed is minus 27, and you want to times it by 6. That gives you minus 162. Write the plus down. Then I got 17 times minus 3 squared. So we know minus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 17 gives you 153. I write the takeaway down. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. Then you can see you have a minus and a minus, which makes a plus here. And then the minus 6 drops down. So you have minus 162 plus 153 plus 15 minus 6. Type this into your calculators and it gives you 0. So you have shown with workings that x plus 3 is a factor of 6x cubed plus 17x squared minus 5x minus 6. Okay, next example then. So show that x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 2x plus 24. So again, exactly the same as before. So hopefully we're getting used to it now. Let f of x equals the 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 2x plus 24. Okay, then take the x minus 2, put it equal to 0 and rearrange. So we're adding 2 to both sides to give us the value of x equals 2. So you're going to substitute the positive 2, so x equals 2, into our f of x, and hopefully we'll get it equal to 0. So we have f of 2 equals, we don't have to put brackets around it because it's positive, you can if you want, but there isn't really any need here. So we have 2 times 2 cubed minus 9 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 24. Each term at a time then, so we know 2 cubed is 8, times it by 2, 16. Take away comes down, so 2 squared is 4 times 9, so 9 times 4 is 36. Take away comes down, 2 times 2 is 4, and then plus 24. Type this into your calculator, so 16, take away 36, take away 4, add 24, does give you 0. So you've shown that x minus 2 is a factor. Okay?